Best free AI 3D model generator. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, we'll be discussing about some of the best free AI 3D generator tools. So first one on our list is Spline.design. So you can basically get started with this design, which is a 3D model generator. So you can just log in and get started for free because it's for free, and you can basically give any one of this text over here or choose any one of these options, that is 3D text or interactive 3D experience, such as your room over here, a 3D phone mockup, or game controls and physics. So you can just use this on yourself and explore it by using the driving into the 3D design world of this AI. And another thing or another on our list is we can also use that is 3DAIstudio.com. So it's also one of the best AI automatic model generator on using AI. So you can basically give any sort of command or prompts just like this, as you can see on my screen. It will automatically generate that particular model, AI model for you, just like that. So make sure to check it out, as most of the features are also paid. You can also use a paid feature as well. So you can explore it furthermore on this yourself. And finally, another one on our list is the Messi.ai. So it's also one of the first AI 3D model generator for all of the creators, whether you are using it for content creation or your YouTube videos or for your projects. You can make it convert your text to 3D just like this, even your image to 3D, your text to textures just like this. You can also create a further animation and explore it on your own. You can also actually further download the texture or 3D creations of this world from over here as well, if you separately want it to use on your projects. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.